Hey guys, welcome to Group One Project Progress Report. So the name of our web app is Picky Finder. My name is Isaac. I have Adebayo, Andrew, Noah, William, and Namdi on this project also. So the aim of this project is to create a web application to help users find pickup games or event in their native states. So basically, users will be able to create like pickup games, make reservations, and even post their pickup games like on a message board format. Users will be able to like reserve if they plan on coming for whatever sport that's going on at the moment. The event creators, like people who created like a sport that's going on, maybe like a soccer game or basketball, will be able to post like a picture of the field so that when people are trying to locate it, it's gonna be easy to locate. The address of the games also will be displayed in the board form, the message board form for whichever sport is going on at that moment, and there will be also be like set of reservation caps for the users. So our motivation basically came from like because in this area where it's very difficult to find spots to play with people around you. Like sometimes you just have to take a drive before you can find a game. But right now we just want to make everything easy for you, whereas you can have like a friendly user, friendly interface to find spots to play around you by just going through like in the like just going to some web pages and you'll find one. And basically this will also like, and we are hoping this will also help people to connect around like the world or around the state. So for the software processes, we have Adebayo, who is going to be working on the message boards and also creating events, who is also like our project manager. We have Isaac, who is going to be working on set reservation cap and password authentication. Inamdi, who is going to be working on drop address and also password. So I'll be working with Inamdi to work on the password authentication, and also we'll work on image upload. Then we have Noah, who is going to like work on ban regular users and user registration and also the login page. We have William, who's just going to be working on the users' profiles. We have Andrew, who's going to be working on deleting user comments and events. So for our AR diagram, we have the regular users where they have to provide their username, password, and profile pictures. We have the moderators also, like they moderate the regular users attribute. So the regular users will be able to like post the address, post location picture, and post reservation cap and the category of sports that you're trying to play, either soccer, basketball, whatsoever. And also we'll be able to have the moderators will be able to ban regular users and every other stuff. So for our schedule we use Gantt chart with Excel to create this our schedule. So this is what our schedule will be looking like. So for the packages and tools we'll be using Imago API. So this we'll be using to upload pictures. MongoDB will be like our main place for our database. So for our server we'll be using Node.js. For the backend stuff we'll be using Express.js, and for the front end we'll be using React.js, and for the hosting we'll be using Heroku. Then for the challenges we face so far is passing images to MongoDB using Mongoose, because we've actually most of us been actually learning how to use MongoDB this semester, so it's like quite a challenge. Also we'll be updating images with in React, creating the database with users, like because that's kind of under MongoDB, so it's actually been like a challenge so far. Implementing a password database also, and user authentication issues. Those have like been the main challenges. So this is a picture of our backend screenshot, since that's what we've been mainly working on, our backend for the meantime. So this is what the backend looks like for now. Also for the password authentication, we'll have a similar code to this one, which will actually help with implementation of making sure the password you enter they match each other, especially when you're creating a new account and you have to verify your password. So it's actually going to check if the password match. The lessons we've learned so far while working on this is, like I said earlier, most of us have just been learning how to like work on MongoDB. Also, we've been learning how to pull, push, and merge in GitHub repo, and like also we've also been learning how to work together as a team. It's quite been a challenge, but also we've been trying to work as a team. And yeah, that's all we have today for our project progress. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.